Yeah, well, next job on DeLorean is to replace my struts and rear shock absorbers. So as you can potentially see, this actually is not a standard unit based on the top. So this isn't a standard unit here on the right hand side. So you've got the Febi or DeLoreanGo, DeLorean Europe shock absorber with original spring cups painted silver, original spring. Got the new bushes etc here, and nut for the end. This is a rubber piece that goes at the top, which I obviously didn't have, so I had this unit here. This unit here actually is stamped Honda, so I mean it's fairly similar. Obviously it worked, but ultimately I decided to swap it out because I want originality, and also I knew the shock absorbers are very weak on this as well because the car bounced a little bit. So someone's done some welding potentially here as well, I guess. So that's it there. That's a new one to go on. So going over to the car. Custom number plate. So yeah, not particularly a lot of effort. So yeah, wheel off. That's just the bits and pieces in here. So mainly the stud at the bottom here, quite tight. You know, did turn, nut came off nice and easily. So what I do is I'll loosen it off, clean it all up, make sure it goes in and out nicely. That definitely helps getting on, and I know that based on the other side. This is the part here where the rubber piece goes. And otherwise, you basically have to use the spring compressors, such as these ones here. Compress it so you get it up there. So you can put a nut on the top, obviously bush underneath, rubber cover underneath as well. Then once it's on with one at the top there, I then personally on the other side get it onto here. That's simply the tricky part. I have to sort of push down on the caliper a little bit and wiggle around a bit to get that on. And then once that's on, I then found I then use this jack here to jack up this slightly in order to sort of push the unit upwards, in order to be able to take the nut off again and then put the other rubber grommet on top with the metal washer on, and then put the two nuts on. And then once that's all in place, you can then release the spring clamps, and then obviously it all lowers down, put the wheel back on again, torque the wheel up, test it, job done. Okay, so this is the plan then. So I shall get on with this now, and there we go. Thank you, cheers.